Are you a business analyst? Are you having anywhere between 2 to 10 years of business analyst experience and would like to change to blockchain technology? This is the right video for you and you're in the right place. In this career roadmap, I'm going to tell you the steps which you can take to move into blockchain space. But before we learn about these steps, I'm going to ask you a few important questions. What are you good at? What is your core strengths? What is your gifts? What are your skills? What are your hobbies? And what is the domain knowledge you have? Which domain knowledge you're coming from? Are you from financial background, supply chain, HR? Whatever the background, whatever the domain you're coming from, maybe healthcare, insurance. Which domain knowledge you have the most? How many years of experience do you have? Are you going to be a lifelong learner? In order to succeed, in order to sail through in blockchain technology, you have to be a lifelong learner. You have to start exploring topics every day, probably every week. And are you good with communication, or are you excellent with your communication skills? Not just good. Are you able to articulate what the client said, and are you able to talk to the developers and the teams and explain what exactly the business wants? If you say yes, then let's talk in detail on how you can become a blockchain business analyst. So in order to become a business analyst, first you need to identify what is your ideal job. You go through some of the jobs available now and see if you are able to resonate with one of the jobs. Okay, this job I can do. Don't worry about the details, don't worry about the in-depth knowledge about blockchain technology, but just take a look at the jobs and see if you can say, oh, this job is right for me and I can sail through this particular job pretty easily. Then to do that, you need to identify which is your ideal blockchain platform. Are you going to be working on a public applications, or are you going to be working on a private enterprise applications? How do you do that? I would like to say you have to spend at least 1 or 2 days to research about what is public applications, what is private applications, what are the enterprise applications. When you're searching for the jobs, you might be getting some of this information, but just Google around, watch some of the YouTube videos and see what are these applications, what blockchain is doing for public sector, what blockchain is doing for the private sector enterprises. Then once you identify, okay, you're going to move to either public or private, that's when you have to narrow down your search towards this specific area. So let's say you're going to choose to Hyperledger, because most of these enterprise applications are developed in blockchain technology using Hyperledger platform. You might say, okay, this is what direction I'm going to go. Now you have your ideal job and ideal platform as a goal. Now you spend about 2 months learn the basics of blockchain technology, the core concepts of blockchain technology. As a business analyst, we all know that business analysts should know each and every detail about the technology and the domain knowledge. So if you don't know the advanced technologies, advanced topic, that is fine, but you should be knowing the core concepts of blockchain technology, how blockchain works, how blockchain can be implemented. But at least when a client talks about certain keywords, you should be able to understand and articulate well in your business requirement document. So for that, at least 2 months of your time to learn the core concepts, and not just learning. I think you have to start practicing it as well. How do you practice it? You can probably practice it by writing blogs. Maybe join me in writing the blogs. You pick up a topic, write a topic on that particular, write a blog on that particular topic and send it to me, and I'll be happy to host that on my blog, so that you don't have to have your own website and you get the credit for writing that particular. It need not be just my website. You can submit your blogs to any other expert, or probably you can write the content on a social media so that you can be shown as expert in the blockchain space, and start participating in the meetings, the meetups or maybe seminars, webinars, to educate yourself and to be in that zone where you're among these blockchain seekers, experts, and the industry specialists, or probably investors or the clients. Now, as I said, along with the blog posts, you can start talking about blockchain technology on the social media platform, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, or whichever the platform you are active on. start talking about the blockchain technology, so that at least when somebody is trying to hire you, when they see your social profile, they know, okay, you did some work. That's become a social proof right now. Instead of just saying your resume will not talk about you, let the social media talk about yourself. That's like a resume which is available for everybody to see, and everybody can judge based on the way you write the content. Business analysts are all about is having a detail in the documentation. So if you are able to provide that much detail in your social post or in the blogs, you're almost hired. And once you learn the core concept, once you start deploying, once you start putting these blog posts or social media articles, maybe 3 months, 4 months after that, you can start applying for the job, because ideally 1 to 2 days to do your research, 3 to 4 months to learn the core concepts. If you have any other commitment, it might be a little longer, maybe 6 months, but ideally 3 to 4 months to master that skill and then start applying for the job. In between, if a particular jobs required a certification, you can go for a certification, but it's not mandatory in my view, because blockchain is new, everybody knows about that, and if you are able to explain the core concepts in the interview, you'll be hired, and most people will not be checking your certificate. But it's good to have. I'm not saying it's not. I'm not saying you should not be taking certification. You can be taking certifications to prove that you know some of these advanced or maybe core concepts about blockchain technology. And most important thing is, do not jump into blockchain technology because of the buzz. You have to do a thorough research. As I said, 1 to 2 days of research about which one is really going to work for you. And the most important point is, do not quit your job until you find a job in the blockchain space. You might be saying, Ram, I want to dedicate my time learning blockchain technology. If you're already having a good paying job, or maybe a basic job where you're getting your bread and butter, keep working for that job or for the company, and on a side note, start learning. If it is taking a little longer time to blockchain technology, which is still fine, but do not quit your job until you get a job in the blockchain space. And once you get a job in the once you get a business analyst role in the blockchain technology, or a company which is implementing blockchain technology, you have to be a rock star to grow. How you can be a rock star? You have to interact with the developers, you have to interact with the teams, project management and client, and educate them. Not just writing a documentation. Probably take up a 30-minute slot a week and conduct a meeting with your teammates, with your project team, and start explaining some of the core concepts so that everybody learns about blockchain from you, and in their view, you are the master. So that's how you can be a rock star in that particular new job, and probably you're going to grow into the better positions sooner compared to your peers. And finally, I want you to celebrate each and every moment during this shift. Whether you learn new concept, or maybe whether you explain something to somebody unknown, maybe you have to start cherishing, you have to start celebrating this small moment. And once you get a job, of course you have to celebrate. And whether it's a project accomplishment, whatever it is, or in general, it's not just about blockchain technology or maybe career switch. You have to start celebrating even the smallest details. So these are some of the tips or ideas for you to become a blockchain technology. And it's not a complex topic to learn. If you can understand simple examples or simple terminology, you can adopt the blockchain technology pretty easily. As I said, the adoption or the maybe roadmap for the blockchain career is somewhere between 3 to 6 months, or could be longer depending on your schedule. And initially you have to learn what is blockchain and where you have to go. Once you identify your goal, ideal job, then start learning about core concepts, followed by practicing and showcasing your talent. Then apply for the job and get a job and accelerate and be a rock star in that new job. And during this each and every step, celebrate. So this is what I'm going to recommend for you to become a blockchain business analyst. If you have any further questions on this particular topic, do let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.